In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open labs in Garageband. The first thing you'll need to do is download and install our labs libraries, and a guide for this is linked in the description below. Once you've opened a new Garageband session, select Software Instrument and then select Create. Before you open the plugin, you'll need to make sure that audio units, which are third-party plugins, are enabled. In order to do this, you need to go to Garageband, Preferences, Audio/MIDI, where the option to enable audio units can be found in the center. Once this has been enabled, you'll then need to open the smart controls. If this isn't open already, you'll find this in View, Show Smart Controls. You can also press B on the keyboard. From here you'll see the plugin drop down where you can then select the instruments, AU instruments, and then Spitfire Audio Labs. Select stereo and this will automatically open the plugin on the new track. You can then change between the instruments in labs by selecting the drop down and then selecting any new patch from the drop down menu here. If you need to create a new labs instrument, you just need to do the same process by selecting plus, creating a new software instrument, and then selecting labs from the drop down again. If you have any questions about this, please drop a comment down below.
Thanks for watching Spitfire Clips. Let us know if it was too long, too short, too fast or too slow in the comments down below. Hit like if we answered your question and subscribe for more clips, tips, tricks and exclusive Spitfire content.